Oh, hi! Are you videoing me?
Yeah. Yeah.
We just filmed a couple of videos that are going to be going on my main channel, which I'm very excited about. One of them is the sister tag. The next one is a Birchbox review, which Birchbox, if you guys don't know what it is, I'm going to show you guys the cute little boxes, so cute. It's like a subscription service. Every month you pay $10 and you get a box of just really awesome high-end samples, so that like you can try out the samples before you actually like buy the big products. And I've really liked it. If you guys want to see what's inside, you'll have to go check out the video. Yeah, I'm very excited, so that's what we're doing. And oh, and we filmed, did I say we filmed a 50 questions tag? 50 random questions. We did that.
Yeah, and the sister tag, half of it is on your channel and half of it is on my channel, which I've never really done really anything on it. I just have like really
all the things I got
old I just have really old videos of like my nieces and nephews, and so yeah, there's not really anything that's like up to date, and I don't have any tags on there, so that's gonna be cool. So yeah, we'll see if Mary will put the link in the bottom bar. I just stuttered.
To what?
Mine.
Oh yeah, we split the sister tag into two different videos. So part of it's going to be on my main channel and part of it's going to be on her channel. So I might start
Kylie just liked my post. Hey look, you like my background? It's cute. Okay.
What post?
My Instagram post.
It vibrates when you get likes?
No. It didn't, it just lit up.
I heard something vibrate. Was that my phone? My phone's been vibrating randomly, guys. I mean, nice. Oh, I forgot to respond about
Bronwyn. Look at this picture, guys. It's so cute. It's me and Kylie holding a thing of pine needles. Yep. Alright, well, I'm gonna turn this off now.
Okay.
So bye.
We're about to go to family dinner. I always do that. Kylie, you taught me well. I wait to talk. We're going to family dinner now. And we just reviewed a couple of the clips from our videos, so I'm going to edit it when we get home. I was going to edit it now, but then I was like, don't really want to. So we're about to leave, go to family dinner, eat some food. And we got a random mascara wand here.
You didn't even touch anything.
Okay, I don't know why I just did that. Alright, let's go.
Cute baby, cute baby, cute baby. Hey. Hey. You gonna smile?
Yeah.
Yay.
You were so cute. We're at family dinner now.
Yeah, wiping baby's noses.
Yep.
Eat your bookies. Eat your bookies.
Ooh, little burp.
Burpy baby, burpy baby. She's gonna sneeze on you.
Oh, baby. You don't sound very good.
Oh, it's naughty.
We're having homemade Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets.
Oh my gosh. Yummy,
Are
yummy,
you excited?
Yummy,
Yummy.
You excited? I just say yeah. Like I can't eat that, but okay.
Yes, I am. Woohoo. Where's Aunt Suze? I think she's downstairs resting.
You're so funny.
I made crap enough to know it's only four.
I want to all the videos. Are you gonna vlog?
Already in? Oh, hey. Hey, girl. Hey, pretty girl.
There's too many sounds going on.
Hey.
Oh, hey. Ew, that is so scary.
What?
My uncle has a stuffed cat. It was like a real cat before. Hang on, Ashley.
I'm so confused.
It's like a real.
My family is really interesting. You probably can't hear me right now. It's really interesting. This is what family dinner looks like.
And Whiskers Body. You can have like Max and Whiskers Body together.
Garrett, that's gross.
Are you recording that?
Yeah.
Hey, Ada, you're not gross though. You're adorable.
You're so freaking adorable. Let's go see what family dinner looks like. There's the mom.
Oh, that's right. They have these like little things. Oh, that's hilarious.
This is what it looks like. Asher, Matt, Wendy, David, Christina, Rayma, Howard. I was picking her nose.
And I thought, well, did a cat get in and then it was sitting on the dryer?
That's what I
What are you
think.
doing, Ram?
She's picking her nose.
What are you doing? Vlogging?
What?
I left it on the back
What are you
steps
watching,
of friends
guys?
of mine's house.
Try
Was Asher?
Set it down there. And
Ew, I don't want to see it. What you got,
I thought they
Asher?
weren't going to be home, but they were.
Show
So
me.
I tried to sneak up, put it there. And
What
I
is
left.
it?
And I wasn't like a block away, and I'm like,
What is it?
she's very proud.
Go show Garrett.
If she steps out of her back door onto this cat, trips and falls and hurts herself, or maybe I would be. Turn around
They
and
need like lap.
Oh my gosh. What the jack?
Apparently it was like a really movie.
They're there, so I kind of
That's
sneaked up and grabbed it.
Stop, I don't want to touch it.
Did your uncle attack?
Go put it back on the table.
It's like a
Alright. So see you later.
Bye, family. Well,
I want to take a picture.
Can you take pictures?
my grandma actually.
There's a book.
Where? Where?
Right there.
His aunt. His aunt.
Quack, quack, quack.
Crack, crack, crack. It'll hurt you?
Yeah.
Have a kiss?
No.
I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna get one. Oh. Why aren't you vlogging this? They're playing Anomia.
I know, seriously.
Who's next? Mark, this is not Nerd. This is Anomia.
Nerds.
Come on, we need some action.
What is it? Comedian? What is that?
Comedian.
I mean, no.
Dad's turn.
Never seen that. Elmo!
Yeah, he is.
Yes?
No, Muppets are like.
He is a Muppet.
Or something.
Okay, I guess Elmo.
Yeah, Elmo's a Muppet.
That was not a Muppet.
He was on the Muppet Show.
Sesame Street.
No, that's like
The Sesame, they are Muppets.
Here to say one. Fashion designer.
Yeah, it's a mug.
I don't know if I should
Elmo's a
decide.
puppet. I would think it's a Muppet. He's on the Sesame Street show.
Okay.
Muppets are not Sesame Street.
Yeah, they are, Jim. That's where they are from.
Here you go. Have the camera back. Watching the Lorax. You can't really see it, but we talked about it in our video today. Rayma, what are you watching? Rayma, what are you watching? What are you watching, Ash? The Lorax. You like this movie? The Lorax? Yeah. You like this, Rayma? Yeah? Is it your favorite movie? Uh-huh.
I gotta go.
Their
You gotta go, bye-bye.
were like awesome.
Gotta go home here, school tomorrow.
Mermaid, Frog, Big Bird, Granny, and
Bye.
Are you leaving?
So Mark is talking in his sleep and I can hear him from my room. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get anything on camera of it. This happens every time. I'm gonna go and get something awesome on video, and then he doesn't do anything. But you guys want to see Catherine sleeping? Oh, look how cute. She's wearing my mom's jacket. Oh my gosh. Should I turn the light off for her? I think I should. I'll do that later. Anyway, it's about 1 a.m. and I'm editing, well, I'm not actually done editing 2 videos. I edited, Sister Tag Part 1, and then I just edited Sister Tag Part 2, and I actually didn't plan on vlogging anymore because I vlogged a lot today. But I just wanted to do that and see if he would do anything, but he didn't, so anyway, that's it. Bye. Good night, guys.